All right, let's get in and have a go at one of these. Oh my God. They're really, really delicious. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. We're going to do some pork spare ribs today in a beautiful, spicy, tangy, garlicky sauce. We're going to go through a couple of methods here. We're going to boil the ribs with some spices, get some flavors into them. We're going to fry them, then we're going to add loads and loads of goodness to it. These are absolutely delicious. Let's get moving. Okay, let's get started on this. So here's my ribs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's show you them on the side. Now what we're going to do, we're going to do two processes here. We're going to do a boil, get them nicely cooked, and add some flavor to them, which I'll show you in a moment. Then we're going to fry. So let's first of all get them in a pot of some water. Okay, so I've got a pot here with some cold water in it. We're going to grab our ribs and drop them in. To that I'm going to add ginger, just roughly chopped ginger, and garlic and salt. I'm going to be pretty generous with the salt. On goes the heat. Bring that to the boil and then let it go for about 6 or 7 minutes. Now you don't have to do this process, but I do find that what it does is it really helps tenderize the meat, and of course we're going to get those flavors in there before we move on to the next step. So 5 or 6 minutes, once it reaches boiling point, then we're going to drain them off. Okay, so off goes the heat. That's like 6 minutes or so. Let's just get these out. Let them cool down a little bit. And then you need to make them dry, so we're going to pat them dry with some kitchen towel as well. But what we've done is got them on their way and certainly pumped some nice flavor into them. You can discard all of that. Okay, so the ribs are out of the water. They're cooling down and I've patted them dry. Let's just take a look at these ingredients here. By the way, I'm going to leave all the amounts of everything below in the text. So bell peppers, onion sliced, ketchup, oyster sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce. Be careful with fish sauce, it's very, very strong. Celery, a little bit of green onion or spring onions, fresh chili, ginger, garlic, and 5 spice. We're going to get some oil in a pan, start off back with our pork ribs. Then we're going to be adding all of this. This is absolutely divine. So you're going to need a pan or a wok or something like that. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a corn oil. We're on a medium heat. What we're going to do is we're going to drop in our ribs. And like I say, medium heat. We don't want to go crazy now. We want to fry them around just by themselves for about 5 to 6 minutes, turning often. So medium heat, it's been going for about 6 minutes. We're getting some nice colour on them. Now we're going to pump in a load of flavours. So we're going to start off by dropping in the onion, the garlic, the ginger, that little bit of celery, and a couple of teaspoons of 5 spice powder. We're just going to work these around for about another 3 minutes. We're nearly done actually. This is absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Right, next up, let's get those bell peppers in. Nice bit of colour. Chili, optional as to how much you put in. If at all, in fact, you don't have to put it in. Right, fish sauce. Little tiny bit. Soy. I'm using a dark soy. Use a light if you want. Oyster sauce. Ketchup. Nice bit of sweetness there. Some water. Turn the heat up to high now and go for about another 5 or 6 minutes. Absolutely divine. And off goes the heat. Look at that, really, really good. Let me get them on a plate. And there you go, absolutely wonderful. Bit of green onions, spring onions, scallions, whatever you call them on top. That's a beauty. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do give us a thumbs up. That does help us out a great deal. And more importantly, please leave a message. We like to know that you're doing fine. We will see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.